Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. And we need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and click at the forget device, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now, let me click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect these earbuds by just tap on them if these earbuds turn on and do not connect it with another device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!